everybody. Today is one of those slow days on campus. Campus is so quiet. Students are on study leave. But unfortunately for those students who are still on campus, they still need to eat. Yesterday I found myself eating from McDonald's. That was so nice. I really enjoyed the meal that I bought from McDonald's yesterday. But today I needed something fresh. Then I decided to follow a recipe from my book, Cook, called ubungqabavu. We are following a recipe in page 25. The recipe that I shared on page 25 is a recipe whereby we stir fry veggies combined with noodles. But today we are not going to use noodles. Instead, we are using buns. I just decided to introduce a new twist on a recipe, something fresh, something new. Anyway, so let's get started. Luckily, before the recording, I just decided to have my veggies cut. And the veggie that I'm just using peppers and carrot. I have yellow, green, and red pepper. We also have zucchini and mushroom here. My mushroom are just roughly chopped. So now I'm gonna just put all my veggies into a small amount of oil in my stove here. It's a very small amount of oil that I'm using. Mind you, what I'm doing is a stir fry. So stir fry, it's called stir fry because you stirring on your veggies on a very small amount of oil. So let's just get started. Having all starting, I'm just adding everything in without adding my mushroom and zucchini, because zucchini is one of those veggies that cooks quickly. So I'm gonna just add my mushroom and zucchini after a couple of minutes in stirring here. So because also one thing that is very important, we do not want to overcook our mushroom, because the other thing about mushroom is that the mushrooms are so fragile, so we don't want to overcook them. And now we are just adding zucchini and mushroom. Then I'm going to just keep on stirring. You can smell a fresh smell of veggies as they give their aroma. And I'm just now adding a little bit of pepper, and I'm keeping on stirring and stirring. Mind you, we don't put it in a pinch of salt. Just a pinch of salt. Don't want to add too much salt. On the other hand, I'm having my grilling pan ready for to just grill a little bit my buns to give it a little bit of brownish color. Then boom, I have my delish meal for my lunch. And I can tell you, there is no way you wanted to have an overcooked veggies. As cooks, as nutritionists, we know that the most important thing about cooking, about veggies or having veggies on your plate, is to make sure that you do not kill or you do not destroy all the nutrients during the cooking process. So, we try by all means to make sure that our veggies is cooked perfect, but not overcooked, not undercooked, but cooked perfect.